Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna make another video. It's a story where you're going to be doing one thing. That's I'm not going to be telling you because we're gonna save it for the end. So we're gonna first go on the design, and like you always guessed, you'll think a button. Yeah, you guessed it, button. A hint. So the hint is going to be, the hint is going to be, press. Does it say press? I think so. Press. But I really like press. It just says press like this. Press. Pass. Press. Okay. Now it's going to be an image. You know we always need an image. So we need a bigger piece. Wait, I can't figure it from the top. How do I do this? Okay, now. There we go. And a bigger piece. Okay, that's too big. I think we need a small piece. There we go. That's the smallest piece. No, it's smallest piece. Oh my god, I know this. Oh, no. So, I have a good idea. A long one could work. There go long piece. I can't put it down, just change it. And font size. Experiment. No. We delete that. No, what? 100. Okay, no, 100 is not gonna work. 40. 49. Yeah, priest. This is very good. That's a big priest. But anyways, background color. I'm gonna make it black. What happens if I make it white? Hey, that's not white. Okay, this is probably going to make it all white. So what happens if I do? Okay, we're not gonna do text color red. There you go. Press. Okay, press. I don't know what. Okay, hey. So now we're gonna just do this. Blank image, please. There we go. And now we go here. Rose flower. Yeah, we're gonna do a flower. 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 And then we got a rose. Broad horse. No, we're not gonna have this. Go back, it's hard. Okay, that wasn't any rose. So, don't mind those people behind me. Just don't listen to that. So, we're gonna choose this one. This one is very good. No, a bad rose. Bad rose. Rose. Bad rose. Bad rose. No way, bad rose. What are the sorts of bad rose? Bad rose. Yeah, bad rose. No. That rose is dead. What the heck? No way I'm gonna use that one. No. This one. Ooh. Oh, no. These both are made by Sherlock. Who the heck is Sherlock? Okay, we're gonna. Oh, this one is purple. Yeah. My mattress just fell. I really need a mattress to sit in my chair. Very many. Okay. This took me like so much time. Okay. Oh, what do I? Oh, this one. Yeah. No. Control Shift V. Yeah. First. Now you're gonna have an option of buttons that says nothing. Like a button. It's gonna say nothing. Choose the correct button. All different buttons. This one is a thick button. A big button. Thick button. Big button. It's a big fat button. So we're gonna change the color to blue. And then text not please. Red. Oh, green. Oh wow. That looks very cool, but just like a monster. Okay, we're all set. W for white. O for orange. And then this one has nothing. It's the creepiest one. It's the one who's dead. Blue. Still don't know how to spell that one. I mean, I know how to spell every single one, but blue is short. Orange and white are big. B. Blue. No, it's you. Blob. Blue. Yeah, that's blue. Blue button blue. Okay, now we make new screen. New screen W. New screen. New screen up. What was on my toe? Okay, I don't know what that was, but anyways, screen 3. What am I doing? Wait, screen W. Now we have screen O. Screen O. Oh. Now, new screen. Screen blue. 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 We're gonna start with W. You gotta reset it. You gotta try getting it correct. The first try, the blue one is correct. So there's no heading back. Reset the project. Then. Jeez. Is that thing still there? Control Shift V. Oh, it's the same. Shutter stop. Jump. Okay, now we go to just there is no rose. A rose drink? There's going to be a rose drink on this one because it's the wrong one. No turning back. What the heck? Hey, we just go back here. Screen out. Let's choose rose drink. Rose. So we're gonna write rose. Bros, not bros. Rose. Drink. Rose quartz? What the? Rose. We got what? Oh yeah, rose drink. Drink. Rose drink. Oh my god. Rose. Juice. Rose juice. No. Yeah. Rose juice. Rose juice. Rose juice. No, not rose juice. Rose juice. Oh, rose juice. This is what I was looking for. Rose juice. Oh my god. Which one? Okay, not this one. I mean, oh my god. Rose petal. Yes, this is the one I was looking for. Rose petal. Okay, I need the one made out of rose petal. Not rose color. Rose water. That's what I drink. Nah, I don't make rose, but this one. Ah, this is the one. Okay, no. I can use this one. Where is it? Okay, you press. Delete that. Okay, we press here. Don't press anywhere else. Control Shift V. Right. Okay, we're gonna. The way of turning back now only by screens. No turning back, only by screens. But I think you can't change screens when run. Yeah, you can't. That's very true. Try a design. It's supposed to be good rose. Perfect rose. There is turning back on this one. But you gotta press it if you want it. Okay, we're gonna go here. It's a long button. Just press here. Okay, we're gonna need nothing on it, and I've been already recording for 12 minutes. I don't know why, but anyways, we're just gonna choose. We're gonna do this fast. Click image and perfect. Oh, I could go with purple rose. Let's go check that. I'm gonna need a purple rose. They're so good. Oh, aesthetic. What is that? That's so good. I like this one. I like what? I like this one. It's so cool. So we go this, then Control Shift V, and then we go press this. We go delete it. No. We gotta delete it. No, this will take me so forever. Oh my god, we gotta delete it. So we gotta do this and that. And then the back. Over here. Boom. That's a lot big. It's big. What else? I do this. Choose. Does it is very high. That one is not working. This one's working. This one is probably working. Okay, Control Shift V. Okay, we're gonna have to use a different rose. Rose. Images. Red. Okay, this one. We can't use a stake, but I'm not using Unsplash. Which one looks the best? India Mart. I think India Mart. There's one on sound. I don't think it's going to work. It did work. Let's go. Okay, we gotta do the code. On event for each button. Oh shoot. We're gonna go screen 1, button W. W equals to screen W. So ignore all the noise that you've been hearing and just listen to my voice, okay? Or just have no sound at all. But you would probably not hear this after all. Okay, do it quick. Oh, no, not W. Oh. Okay, please scroll down. Screen. Set screen. Oh. Wait, why did I have the last one? And then let's have the other one, yep. And then the random button 4, which I have because we gotta go down, all the way down. Put this, put that, put this. Okay, now we go. What the heck was that? Blue and then screen 1. Oh yeah. Okay, now done. Let's try it. It's run. I said run. Okay, bang. Oh no. The same. Bang. Oh my god, what happened? Okay. What? Alright. Bye guys. I'm gonna end the video here. I'll just see you next video. Bye.